Okay, it's at 130. I've got it set to go up to 216. Oh, I should have wiped off the top of it because there's smoke coming off. Well, it must be from the board. Sweet, sweet smoke. Just keeping an eye on this to sort of prod any bits that get out of line. I was making one of these yesterday and using the hot air, and I realised that I didn't need to bother, that I had this thing. And 160, more smoke. I mean, I said this yesterday, but I might as well do it again. The fuse, 10 mic, 1 mic, a little 3.3 volt regulator, 100 nanofarad, a WCH CH32V003 cheap. This was about 20p, that microcontroller, a MOSFET. Oh, there we go. Lots of smoke. Just making sure everything's properly seated. I'm really going to leave it until the smoke all comes to right. 196. It usually goes at about 185. This particular solder paste that I'm using, which is the mechanic, whatever, lead, tin lead. 183 degrees here it says. About right. Okay, so let's hit that, and I'm just going to turn it off. I mean, as usual, I've put too much solder paste on the microcontroller, and I will have to get in there and just dab bits of it off. Just as long as it's firmly seated down, that's fine. You can tell I put too much on because there's those little solder balls. Hey, too much is better than not enough. I don't want to leave this on here forever. Really? It's working, so I don't want to cook stuff. Oh, for pity's sake. Nothing to see here. Definitely going to have to get in there. I shall come back.